have dubbed the north side of Palm Coast. Yeah, they have generators looking like they're running all the stop signs. Thank you for that. Stop signs, stop lights. You know what I meant.
Sweet, babe.
Was that them?
I didn't even see it.
I'm pretty sure that was them. Can't stop, won't stop.
Well, they ain't nothing to deliver today.
Uber, 7-Elevens, or...
Well, that one's closed then.
Yeah.
That's the only 7-Eleven we have. It's that one there and then Ross.
I bet you they got some long-ass delivery.
weather
to
extremely
clean
full.
up after tropical storm Ian. Set to be off the coast of Jacksonville tonight at 10 p.m. Sounding like the weather next few days, though, going to be pretty good. See ya, Unstoppable
Awesome.
now on 95.1.
That's what the
WAE.
weatherman out of Orlando has been working for 3 days straight said.
Oh, yeah.
He said, come late Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's going to be beautiful.
That was a huge log.
But, ooh, that lake was about to overflow.
Yep, not much to see on the road, but if you keep your eyes to the left and the right of the video, you'll see a lot of downed trees, which, yes, I know is not a big deal, but
We
just,
don't see those every day.
just a tribute to the fact that we really got lucky. Are you cold, Cody? Are you cold?
Holding up the jacket on. There's a big one. Yep.
Oh, that's right. BE section lost power way earlier.
We have a speed limit sign bent over.